Ditch the project chaos and transform your Notion workspace into a project management powerhouse. Just like Basecamp, in just a few easy steps. First, let's build our foundation. Create a new Notion page and title it something like Project Central or your team name followed by dashboard. This will be your home base for all things project related. Now, the core of projects database, click the plus sign and select database board view. Name it projects. Use properties like status to do, in progress, completed, assignee, due date, and priority to track each project's progress. Customize the status options to match your workflow. Time for the team. Create another database, this time a table view, and call it team directory. Add properties like name, role, email, and contact number. This keeps everyone's info organized and accessible. Keep everyone in the loop with an announcement section. Just use a simple bulleted list or a dedicated database for important updates. Link to frequently accessed resources using inline links and callouts, keeping vital information only a click away. Connect everything within your project's database. Add a relation property and link it to your team directory. This lets you easily assign team members to specific projects. You can also relate projects to your announcements database to keep related updates linked. Visualize progress with a progress bar property. Your project's database use formulas to automatically calculate completion based on the number of tasks finished. And finally, add a calendar to your main project page. Sync with Google Calendar and embed it into your main workspace for clear scheduling. And there you have it, your Notion workspace. Now simplify and powerful project management system rivaling Basecamp. Now, conquer those projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.